Clostridium tetani, which causes tetanus. Tetanus means sustained contraction of muscle. Clostridium tetani is a gram-positive rods. Spore forming. Spore is tennis racket outlook. Obligate anaerobe, meaning that who is lives only in the absence of oxygen cannot survive in the air. On the other hand, facultative anaerobes, which show better growth in the presence of oxygen, but will also grow without oxygen. Gram-positive meaning that when doing a Grammy stain, Clostridium tetani stains purple due to thick peptidoglycan layer. Spores are widespread in soil. The portion of entry is wound side, where a nail penetrates the foot hand. It has also been associated with skin popping. Skin popping is a route of administration of street drugs like morphine, cocaine. Toxin produced by tetany. Tetanolysin, tetanospasmin. Tetanolysin is a hemolysin and doesn't have any non-pathological activity. On the other hand, tetanospasmin is more dangerous. Tetanospasmin can damage the neuromuscular system. Alpha motor neuron of the spinal cord and brainstem produce action potential, is responsible for muscle contraction. Here interneuron release inhibitory neurotransmitters like GABA and glycine. That's why alpha motor neuron can't overfiring, leads to muscle contraction normally. Snare proteins pull vesicle that are loaded with neurotransmitters. Snare proteins helps to release it. Toxin entered the nervous system via lower motor neuron intraxonally, that is retrograde upwards up to the spinal cord. Toxin damage snare proteins, prevent release of inhibitory neurotransmitters like GABA and glycine, causing muscle rigidity, spastic paralysis. Spasm meaning that powerful and painful muscle contraction may even leads to muscle and bone fracture. Classification. Traumatic tetanus. This tetanus results from unnoticed wounds. Agricultural gardening workers are special risks of this tetanus. Puerperal tetanus. This tetanus is more common after abortion. Otogenic tetanus. Infected pencil beds enter through air produce otogenic tetanus. Idiopathic tetanus. Absorption of tetanus toxin from intestinal tract. Tetanus neonatal. Cutting of umbilical cord by unsterilized instrument. Another classification. Generalized tetanus, characterized by pain, restlessness, rigidity, spasm of muscle. Localized tetanus, that is, stiffness occurs at the site of wounds. Cephalic tetanus, spasm of facial muscle and cranial nerves. Tetanus neonatal, when childbirth takes place unhealthy place. Mode of transmission. Tetanus spore. Incubation period 6 to 10 days. Mode of transmission. Tetanus spore. Incubation period 6 to 10 days. Reservoir of infection. Infected animal intestine. Clinical findings. Lockjaw or trismus. Spasm of lower jaw. Prevent from mouth opening. Research sardonicus. Facial spasm produce abnormal looking expression. Opisthotonus. Spasm of muscle causing backward arching of the head, neck and spine. Tetanus only affect skeletal muscle, no involvement of cardiac and smooth muscle. Treatment. Tetanus immunoglobulin is used. Metronidazole or penicillin G antibiotic can be given. Benzodiazepine should be taken to prevent spasm. Prevention. Immunization with tetanus toxoid. First dose 6 weeks of age. Second dose 10 weeks of age. Third dose 14 weeks of age. Tetanus toxoid as DPT vaccine, now as pentavalent. Booster dose also should be given. Summary. Clostridium tetani is a spore forming, tennis racket appearance, motile, gram-positive rods, produce toxin, spasmin. Cleaves snare proteins. Overactivity of alpha motor neuron inhibit release of inhibitory neurotransmitters. like GABA and glycine. Result: spastic paralysis. Classification of tetanus: traumatic, puerperal, autogenic, idiopathic, tetanus neonatal. Another classification is generalized tetanus, localized, cephalic, tetanus neonatal. Clinical findings: lockjaw, rhesus sardonicus, opisthotonus.